So right now I'm on a cruise ship, and if you didn't know, I've actually been working on cruise ships for like 15 years as a musician. And today I wanted to combine that with some of these really cool products and share my top cruise ship essentials that'll make your cruise that much better. And some of them might make you just go, that's a really good idea. I want that.
Mr. Black.
Now, a lot of cruise ships won't actually let you take your power strips on because they could be unsafe, they can start fires. But Cruise On has you covered because they actually have certified plugs for cruise ships. These are non-surge and cruise compliant. It has the 3-prong plug on the back, but also gives you up to three 3-prong plugs in the front, and you also get 2 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's that are actually powerful enough to charge up your laptop. So it works, and it's allowed to go on cruise ships, and you can get this thing for under $18 US right now. But again, check out those links for the most current and up-to-date prices. There might even be some sales or some coupon codes that are attached to them. And also, I'd love to know, do you have any cool cruise essentials that you bring on your cruise ships? Let me know, drop a comment, and I'd love to read them. Now, the next one is something that I use a lot, but before we get to that, if you're new here and you like this gadgets and gear kind of channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, click that like button. YouTube will let you know when there's more of these kind of videos. These are magnetic hooks. And since the ship is metal and so is your room, you can just pop them on the walls. They're great to put all around your room if you want to, get in, put your lanyard on it. Or for me, I have a lot of hats and I actually use these as hat racks and they work so good. And right now you can get a 12-pack of these for under $9. And speaking of lanyards, these are cruise essential. It is so much more convenient to have a lanyard for your cruise card, especially one like this that clips on and then you can easily take this off to hand it to a bar staff if you're getting a drink, or if you just need to stretch it across to open your door, or if you're at the casino and you just pop this thing off. It's so much better than keeping it in your pocket and sometimes losing it and having to get a new one. And it's especially good when you get off the ship and you don't want to lose this. It's just a great way to keep this thing with you at all times and not lose it. And you can actually get a 4-pack of these for under $9. Another quick and easy cruise essential are these towel bands. So these are very strong and stretchy bands. So when you go lay out on one of the lounge chairs, you want to put your towel on it just because it, doesn't feel comfortable. And then you put these towel bands around it, keeping it from flying off when you're like adjusting in your seat, or just if you get off and it's windy, you don't have to worry about your towel flying away. And right now you can get a pack of 6 of these for under $8. And there's even a 10% coupon code on that. If you like to take selfies and you're looking for a place to put your phone up, this is a Magsafe suction cup. So you pop it on your phone with Magsafe, and then you can pop it anywhere on the walls, on windows, on mirrors, and you can use your front-facing camera and capture the content that you want. And it's just great to have, not even just with cruise ships, but anywhere. And this comes in under $15 US currently. But maybe you want a more versatile selfie stick that's also small and travel friendly, and Ulanzi's got you covered with this one. So check out what this can do. For one, you can pop it on your phone and use it as a shutter grip. And it has this Bluetooth button that you can connect to your phone, and you can start and stop videos or take photos. It also holds more steady when you're holding it like this versus hand holding it like this. But also you can open this thing out and you have like a little grip so you can hold your phone like that, and then you can pull this thing out and you actually have a little selfie pull, which is great if you're just trying to get some pictures of everyone gathered together. And to add one more cool thing, there is a tripod on the bottom so you can set this thing down, and that Bluetooth button is removable, so it's very versatile and you can do a lot with it. Just great for any of your travels. And also it comes in just over $20. Now remember the days when you could take pictures and you can instantly print out your film? Well, Kodak has this one right here. This is the Kodak Printomatic, and you power this thing on, you look through the viewfinder and you snap a photo and it prints it out. Now, some of the advantages to it is it can print out those pictures. You can stick them up on your wall or just scrapbook while you go. The reason I like something like this, it's very vintage. It just kind of has this nostalgic feel to it. And it also has a micro SD card slot, so you can actually save and store your photos right to that as well. But you can go around the ship and you can snap photos, take pictures of people, and they'll love it. You can hand it to them, and it's just really cool. It's a cool keepsake, and just look at this thing. It's just so vintage. I love it. And for under $100, you can get their whole essentials kit, which includes a bunch of film, some markers, some frames, a case, and just a bunch of extra cool accessories. Now, taking just a little pivot from tech and gear, this is actually really cool. I love these Moxe Shower sprays. They make any shower just feel amazing. And especially when you take it on a cruise, you can spray this thing in your shower. You got the steam going, especially with eucalyptus. You're basically turning your bathroom into a spa, and it does feel great. You can breathe it in. Lavender is also a really great smell too if you want something a little bit different, and saves you from actually having to go to the spa. And you can get these for under $20 each, and they do last a long time. Again, I've had these for a while. I'm not even even half empty on this thing. And yeah, I've been spraying it at every shower. It's so good. And speaking of smelling good, Herba Lemon has some really good travel colognes. Now check this out, because they're travel friendly. You just twist them up and there's your sprayer right there. These are really good. Every color is a different scent. I think black is my favorite. Ironically, when I do spray this, I notice when my wife walks by, she's like, "Ooh, you smell good." And I think that's an essential cruise thing, because you know, you can get a little bit smelly on a ship sometimes, and it's nice to have this, especially on like those fancy nights. But Herba Lemon, they're really good, and you can get this 3-pack for under $45 US. Okay, we're almost done with this list, but there's still some really cool ones here, like this collapsible water bottle. Now, I always like to take water bottles on the ship with me because you can fill them up, especially when you go off the ship on excursions. That's a cool concept. I've never even heard of collapsible water bottles before, but it makes it so easy to travel with this thing because it takes up like no space in your bag. But like I said, if you're taking a water bottle off on excursions, some of the places you go, you might not be too sure about the water. Philips has this filtered water bottle. For one, it's stainless steel and it's a great water bottle by itself, but you have this filter system that you can pop on the top, and it will get rid of any bad things that would be in the water that could, you know, make you have to be running for the bathroom. And the collapsible water bottle comes in under $6, and this filtered water bottle comes in under $20. And now for just a quick honorable mention, this one's a little bit more pricey, coming in around $175, but I just wanted to share this because what this thing is it's actually an air conditioner, and you'll put this thing around your neck and you will feel it just keeping you cool. For one, if you're like, you know, feeling stuffy in an elevator, that's gonna keep you feeling nice and cool. If you're on a tender boat going to shore and it's hot and just like very uncomfortable, this thing will be your best friend. Or even if you're just walking around on different islands and it's really hot, this will keep you cool, keep you from sweating all over. It does the job, and the battery lasts a long time. And it also has a fan option, a heating option, and an AI option that will actually detect your body heat and actually regulate your body just from the AI. So that's really cool. And if you want to learn more about it, do click on the link in the description, because this thing is really, really cool. So that's my list of cruise essentials, and if you have any cool cruise essentials that you always bring on all of your cruise ships, please drop a comment, leave them in the description, because I'd love to see them. And thanks for hanging out with me in my room here on the ship. I actually work on these ships where I play music, so I'm gonna have to get ready and head off to another set. And if you want to see some more of that kind of stuff, check out some of my old videos where I'm a cruise ship musician. I'll put them on the screen, and yeah, see you there.